These real life experience, these real life example demonstrate how effectively listening plays a crucial role in a different aspect. Okay, attentively listening to your partner, to your member. Hello everyone, welcome to Grow with Shilpa channel. Today we are going to take up some real example in order to understand why listening is too much important to speak fluently. Okay, you must have heard that many people said if you want to be fluent you need to focus too much on listening parts. Okay, I have also heard many times if you want to be fluent you need to focus too much on listening parts. So here are some real example and some specific example to understand the importance of listening. Here are some more specific and real example that highlight importance of listening, why listening is too much important. First point, academic setting. Suppose you are in a classroom and you are being given a lecture by any sir or ma'am. Okay, listening to a lecture allows you to understand and observe the information being presented. Okay, it makes easier your study and it help perform your exam very well. Okay, participating in a group discussion requires active listening to grasp the difference between perspective and contribute meaningfully to the conversation. Next point, let's understand professional environment. Attending a business meeting requires attentive listening in order to understand instructions, proposals and client needs. Suppose if you in a meeting, any business meeting is going on and you are in the meeting, if you listen carefully then you can give your instruction, then you can understand the proposal, then you can understand the client need. This is the way you have to listen carefully so that you can understand very well and so that you can make someone understand very well. The third point is let's understand social interactions. Why listening is too much important? Through social interactions, engaging in conversation with native speakers allows you to practice listening to different intonation, to different accent and colloquial expressions. In other way, suppose you are in a social gathering. Okay, if you listen carefully them, after listening you can understand easily their stories, their experience, what they have said. After listening carefully you can make someone understand their problems, their stories, their experience, what they have realized, what they experienced. Okay, let's understand from the other way. Let's take fourth point, social consumption. Let's understand through the social consumption. Suppose you are watching any English shows, you are watching any English movies with the subtitles, enables you in order to improve your listening skills by connecting spoken words to written text. Okay, suppose you are watching any English movie, any English show with a subtitle. It helps you to improve your listening skills with the subtitles, so that if you watch with the subtitles you can easily understand what they are saying, what the character in this, the story in this, the movie, what they are saying, and you can understand very well if you want to speak that over that movie, over that the show, you can easily make someone understand and you can easily narrate the story. Okay, so media consumption, through the media consumption you can also, if you want to listen carefully, then you can reply someone effectively or appropriately. Okay, let's understand next point. What is the next point says? The last and very important point, let's understand through the personal relationship. Attentively listening to your partner, to your member, to your friend demonstrate you care and interest in their thoughts, in their feelings, and it becomes strong bonds, strong conversation with your partners, with your family member, and with your personal relationship. So listening is very important. Without listening you can't take any decision, you can't take anything, you cannot give your opinions, your suggestion to someone. So these real life experience, these real life example demonstrate how effectively listening plays a crucial role in a different aspect, okay, such as conversation, personal relationship, education, business criteria, and personal development. Okay, that's why listening is too much important to speak fluently. If you listen carefully, then you can reply anyone carefully, appropriately. So remember, these real examples illustrate why listening is too much important to improve your speaking English. Okay, so now you cannot say listening is not too much important to speak fluent. If you want to be fluent, you need to focus too much on listening part, because if you listen carefully, then you can answer appropriately. So I hope this video was helpful for you. What I wanted to make you understand, I hope you understand very well. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.